today's video. Today I'm with my friend Rob over here. His actual name is Trex. Dude, my name is Rob. My name is no that kind of bad thing, 'cause I'm a gangster, guys. Stop it. So, yeah. Anyways, guys, Rob over here is gonna play Animal Jam, and I'll just let him go with it. So, click on the play button, Rob. So, I'll let you do it all. So, go. I'm going, Rob. Bye. Okay, bye. So, how do you play this game? She said, click play now. Should I hack in this account? I am Rob anyways. I do everything bad. What? Do you see that? Annoying Animal Jam. Create an animal.
Welcome to Animal Jam. Check out all of these amazing animals and choose which one.
I hate your voice. You motherfucker. You know. Okay. Sorry for that. She's recording me? Oh. Hello, guys. So, wait. I already knew that. Anyways. Welcome to Animal Jam. Let me see. Since I'm Rob, how come there's no lion? No lion! I should be the king of Animal Jam. Wait. Monkeys stink. They're like us. I need new animal like us. A wolf. Ow. Tiger. Seal. Penguin. Oh, I need them. Anyways. Which one looks the evilest? These looks evil, but not evil enough. Seems cute, but evil. Let me check this one. Shut up, you! Shut up, you! Huh, stupid girl. Isn't there a monster? Monster! I do like wine. Vaughn seems evil enough. Okay. What the heck is their toes? You don't even need toes. I can walk without my toes. Oh, I am a winner. Monster von Wiener. I like it. Shut up, bitch. Huh. Month. I don't know what am I doing. I'm a boy. You hear me? Wow. My age. $100. My AJ username. I rob banks. Somebody has taken that. I rob banks. Bye, Rob. Oh, my Rob Banks, my Rob. Can you copy and paste these? Ah, no. Hi, Rob Banks. My Rob. Oh, okay. 5, 6, 7. Huh, okay. I'm not gonna write by Rob. Fantastic. Oh my gosh, mother! Okay, I need that girl. I need Flaming Frostbite. Flaming Frostbite! What? I don't know my parents' email. Let me just enter my email, okay? Okay. Let me just move this so nobody else can see it. I guess. Don't worry, Rob. You'll be fine. Faster! OMG, I agree! You're talking like a girl. You do realize that, right, Rob? Rob. Yes! I know I'm talking like a girl! Bye! Get out! Get out! Get out! I don't like this. Your email doesn't work because it's already used for your one. I don't like you. Now what happened? Rob, I think you just start all over again. You know. No! You're... Oh, jeez. Okay. I'll do it for you. I'll recreate you something. And... I'll do exactly what you called her. Exactly. Okay, bye. Well, she left me. Shut up, stupid lady. Voila. No. Stupid. Now I don't know what it was. What was it? Huh. Now I do not know. Master. Was it Master? Yeah, I think it's Master. What? Monster. It was Monster. Monster Von. Von! Ah! Oh, there it is. I passed it. It's not my fault. It's your fault. Oh, this is actually my name. Beat you. Next. No. I'm a boy. My age is 100. I rob banks. I rob. I rob banks. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Flaming Frostbite! What now? I need the email. Fine, whatever. Oh my god. Wait. faster! You need to be faster! Okay, jeez. Faster! God! Oh, fine, cool. Get up! Fine. Huh. I don't agree. I scam. I cheat. I steal. Oh, fine. Huh. Stupid song. Oh, this. No, 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 no. Follow her. It's not even going anymore. Help you're here, awesome. La 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 la. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, that's me. Try me, I'm a new jammer. Try me, I'm a new jammer. Wah! Wah! Rah! Try. Ah! That's so rare. Seriously. Are you recording? I am. Hi. 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 Oh my gosh, I'm also recording. Let me frost my. Yep. Are you telling her that you're also recording? I mean, like, seriously, she's a member. What's so important about this stupid members? They are higher than your level. Shut up. Oh, they can imitate you, but they can't duplicate you. 'Cause you got something special, makes me wanna taste you. Want it all day long. I'm addicted like it's wrong. I want it all day long. I'm addicted like it's wrong.